To check your call history on the My T-Mobile app, start by logging in with your T-Mobile ID. Once logged in, navigate to Account, then Usage, and select Calls and Texts. Here you'll see a chronological list of your calls from the past 18 months, including incoming, outgoing, missed, and blocked calls. Tap any entry to view detailed information, including timestamps, durations, and contact details. This feature is available for all postpaid plans, but prepaid users are limited to the current billing cycle. T-Mobile stores call logs for up to 18 months, and recent updates include an Insights tab that uses machine learning to summarize call patterns. The My T-Mobile app allows you to filter your call history by date range, call type, or contact. This helps track specific calls or avoid roaming charges by filtering for international calls. Tap Filter buttons to narrow down your view. For example, select Call Type to see only incoming or outgoing calls. To download your call history, use the Export button to save logs as CSV or PDF files. This is useful for legal, audit, or personal records. Security includes optional two-factor authentication for downloads. Logs are anonymized in exports to comply with FCC regulations. You must opt in for data sharing in some features. By 2027, expect cross-platform syncing with third-party apps and blockchain for secure log verification.